This is a public service announcement brought to you by Purple Squeeze, the goo in the loo. Stick your fingers in and have a play. Use 2 or 3 fingers and hear those noises. Real, authentic fart sounds. Whether you're out with friends or on the loo, Purple Squeeze will make it sound like poo. Purple Squeeze, the goo in the loo.
Jesus, man, how you going?
Hey, alright, you got rolling?
Oh, boy, I walked into that one.
Yeah, I was just coughing.
Yeah. What have you been up to?
Well, it's been some time and the bucket needs a bit of a freshen up.
Yep. Well,
You know,
it's been the
it's-
way it's been for a while.
It's been that way. It's, the carby's a bit, I don't know what's going on. Something we need to have a look at. We need to, just tear it apart. Let's tear it apart. So we'll tear it apart in the bloody workshop here and shit.
Yep.
Put some new kit in it. Maybe a couple of new jets.
Yep.
Yeah. I got some new O-rings and stuff as well, try and get those seals and whatnot happening. But, just try and get running. Some new spark plugs, chains, sprockets,
Yep.
new tyres. They're desperate need for new tyres.
New lights too, man, because you can't see your lights for the back.
Yeah, I know.
Your lights are bad. Your lights are bad.
Well, might as well, if we're going to go new lights, I might as well just change it all up and just whole new lighting. Why not?
yeah, right.
Why not? Let's do it.
Ah, okay.
While we're at it, let's just change it right up. Let's just bolt bucket 2.2 or something like that. I don't know. Like,
Yep.
it's it's had a few different variations in its time. It's
Well, what
roughly about there.
to date? What have you done from start to finish? What have
Jesus.
you done?
Well, when I first got the bike, it had some ape hangers already on it. It already had the
okay.
Vance and Hines already on it as well.
Right.
Had a nice tear in the seat.
Yep.
So we had to fix out the ugly black seat with tear and all that. So
yeah, the Mexican seat's a good look.
so that was 2-stage that seat. So if you remember, it had a bit of brown leather first.
Yeah.
Then we went the Mexican over the top. Now let's just change it right up. Now, so we got we've got our buddy was it sissy bar at the back and all that as
Did
well.
the sissy bar,
we did
yeah.
sissy bar and all this. So give it more of a chopper feel.
You did the custom exhaust.
Custom exhaust.
Yeah.
That's world famous
Full
flappers.
custom. Yep.
So
Bars
the bars, full custom again.
and the front guard,
Custom.
custom. Yep. Okay. So
Well-
so it's well underway.
But it's been like that. It hasn't changed. It's kind of rusted and all this, and it's like, let's give it a freshen up.
Yep. Okay.
Give it a complete new look.
Yep.
But I'm going to keep the authenticity of the bolt bucket.
Okay.
We'll keep the custom exhaust
Yep.
to some degree. We'll keep the custom handlebars. We'll keep the tank because of that tank's iconic with everyone's stickers and stuff from all over the world.
Yep. Yep.
Got to have that tank on it. So we'll freshen it up
Yep.
and we'll give it a new look. It'll still be the same old bolt bucket,
Yep.
but with a slightly new look.
Mind you, with a bike, you don't need to do too much to change the whole look.
No, that's it.
Just a few sneaky things and away you go.
That's it.
Yeah.
So, I guess what we're trying to say here, everybody, is the bolt bucket's coming off the road for a bit, and it's getting a new look. That's right. We're changing it right up. Well, not right up, but we're changing a bit.
I think in essence, it's still going to look like the bolt bucket.
It is.
But it's going to be the new improved look bolt bucket.
The bolt bucket, let's call it 2.2.
Yep.
So bolt bucket 2.2 is going to be coming soon enough. There's a bit of work we're going to be doing on it, and I hope you like it. It's still the bolt bucket, just it's going to have a bit of a different flavour to it this time.
Well, let's roll it in the shed and get going. What do you reckon?
Let's do it
All right.
this way, I think. What do you got there? That's so gooey. Oh, hold that. Oh! Ah! 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 Oh. I think it's lost its little.
I think it's lost its fartness.
Oh, bloody hell, purple squeeze. Oh. I think we're going to need a professional to do this.
Yeah, hang on. And the seat lid, is the seat lid broken now?
No, that's always like.
Oh, look at that.
There we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, portable loo. You can take this wherever you want. It might be a bit small, but that's okay, you know. But I mean, you just stand there.
Maybe just take this out first.
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
isn't edible, by the way. I've tried it.
But that would fit the equivalent of a hot dog. Not a hamburger, but a hot dog.
Maybe a Frankfurt. It's like the blob.
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
Hey.
residue.
Get one.
Bye.